A super important part of onboarding, when a potential client says yes, they want to move forward once you preview the software to them, you need a way to collect all this information here very quickly and store it safely, okay? So in this one video, I'm going to show you how to build the form out, create the custom fields, I'll show you how to run the automations, then I'll preview live how this information pings to our phone with all the relevant information. Because you need all this information here to actually create the sub account and make it legit. So it's very important you have this. So I'm gonna do this all in this one video, and I don't have a free course in the description where you sign up with your email and then I have your email, then I'll spam you with XYZ. Don't worry, you're safe. You can just watch this one video and you know how to do it. Like, I don't have a course. You can just go on my YouTube channel, go to playlists. I've done with them 1 to 11, and these tutorials are more in depth than any free course you'll find on YouTube. Okay, so if you do want one-on-one mentorship with me, plus 30 days free trial, plus all these benefits here, like my snapshots, white level presentations, blah blah blah. If you use this link here or the link in the description, you can get 30 days plus all those benefits. If you've already got an account, drop a comment and then I'll jump on a call with you and we'll get you transferred over. Alright, so let's get into it. So we need to create the form that we're going to send to the client so they fill all those details out. So let's go to form, let's go to builder, let's go to add form, let's start from scratch. Okay, let's name this form getting info from clients. Okay, we don't need this. We don't really need that either. Okay, so let's make these required. So we need let's have, instead of first name, just have full name. Okay, full name. We don't need last name, obviously. So let's go back to our list and see what we need. All right, so full name, we need email now. So let's go to email. So we can just drag this here. Okay, email, phone. Okay, availability. How are we going to do that? So the way we're going to do that is we're going to go to custom fields. We're going to add a custom field. I'm going to go to a multi-line. Press next. Availability. Okay. Go to contact, group. Going to be there. Placeholder, availability. Press save. Okay, so now let's go to contact and then availability should be here. Put that in here. Let's make that required so they have to fill that in because we want to know for like a barbershop or a hair salon what times they're open, when they're not open, etc. So that's why it's important. Let's put the phone number just there. Okay, what's next? So we need them to send resources now. Okay, so let's go to quick add. I think there is one here where they can upload file upload. So we can put here upload logos. They can just come here, upload their logo. Okay, that's fine. And one thing to make it more professional is we just add an image here and put our business logo. So for sake of it, I'll just put my one here, but put your own one. Okay, and this, we want this to be green or dark blue for my logo. Just matches it like that. Okay, so there's one more thing we need to add, and that is staff emails. Because if they have staff there, you want to add them to the sub account. So we need their email so they have access to the sub account. So let's go to custom fields, go to add. Let's go to multi-line, press next. Let's label this staff emails. And let's put this in contact, and press save. Here it is. So put that there, staff emails, press that as required. Okay, so that's pretty much all the stuff we need. So now we need to create an automation. So whenever the client fills this information out, we get pinged on our phone with an SMS with all these fields done. Okay, so let's do that now. Let's go to automations. Okay, so go create workflow, start from scratch, gather client information. So now this trigger will be form filled, form submitted, and let's tell it the form is gathering info from client's form. So once that form is filled, now we're going down the automation. So now we can tag them with I don't know, it's just good practice to do this. Gathered info. Okay, just tag them. Next, what we want to do is send an internal notification to ourselves. So we're going to send an SMS to me. So what we're going to do is all those fields, we're going to populate them. So here, the first one was full name, wasn't it? Then I know we had a phone section. So this is going to auto fill out with whatever they put in on the form. So contact phone, email, contact email. Okay, and now we have availability, wasn't it? Availability. So now it's not going to be under contact. I mean, it is, but it's not going to be here. You have to scroll all the way down to custom fields, then to availability, contact availability. Then you got like staff emails. Okay. So then here, so remember, go to contact, scroll all the way down to custom fields, to staff emails. Okay. And then was it something else? Well, yeah, it was. It was the logos. So logos. Uploaded logos right there. Form now, once the form is submitted, we can send the business owner like a confirmation email or something like that, or SMS if you want. I'm not gonna, because I don't really want to. I just want to get the information and crack on. So what you can do if you want to be super fancy is like add an email, add a wait step saying we're building it, then one day after add another wait step, then say we've just done this wait step, we've done this. So it just reminds them that you're building the software out if you want. I'm not going to do that. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do. Let's go to publish and let's save that up. Now let me preview this live to you. Okay, so let me go to the form. Let me get the actual link for the form to preview, and here's a URL link. Okay, so I've just filled this form out with some random information. I'm gonna show you live. Once I fill this out, the automation will trigger, which will just send me an SMS with all these fields populated on my phone, so it's there, safe for me to go ahead and use it essentially. So let's press submit, and I'll show you it pop on my phone. Okay, there you go. So let me just click it, and here you go. You can see Michael Jackson, blah 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 blah. You've clicked that link. I just put a random, yeah, I just put some random barbering thing. Okay, so that's essentially how it works. So I'm actually free for the next couple of days. So if you want me to jump on a one-on-one Zoom call with you and help you sign up to a high level with all my affiliate perks downloaded into your account, I'll sit down one-on-one with you and get that sorted. So if you comment calendar, I'll send you a calendar link so we can jump on a one-on-one Zoom call. If you're ready to make that jump, I'll sit there with you and do it with you, just in case you're a bit nervous and stuff. But if you don't, that's fine. Please like the video if this is useful, and yeah, subscribe.